In order to check to see what your project will look like when it's published, you have to preview it. Now, Adobe Captivate includes a number of ways that you can preview your projects. The simplest way to preview is to click on the Preview button and then from the menu choose one of the options. This first item, Play this slide, enables you to preview most, though not all, of the objects on that said slide while still in Edit View. The next option, Project, generates a temporary Swift file and plays the entire project from start to finish.
To assign an employee, click the tokens from left to right or
Notice now that a new window is shown. Also, although in this case you can see that we have a bar at the bottom known as the playback control, you can also advance through the entire project by clicking and dragging on this slider. In addition, Adobe Captivate seems to be duplicating the playback controls with this set over here on the right-hand side. However, this isn't a duplicate set at all. Adobe Captivate includes these tools because many of the e-learning projects you will create may not need a playback control. Providing these buttons simply enables you to navigate around the project whilst it's in development. Up at the top here, we also have two buttons, Close Preview and Edit. Close Preview will take you back to the first slide, whereas clicking Edit will take you to the slide you're currently reviewing. From this slide plays the project from the currently selected slide to the end. The option Next 5 slides will play the next 5 slides. However, you can change the number of slides by choosing Edit, Preferences, and then from the Global category, selecting Defaults. Here, you can see that we have the option to specify the defaults for Preview Next. In here, I'll type 10 and then click OK. Now, if I go back to Preview, you can see this time the option says Next 10 slides. To see what your project will look like in a web browser, you can also choose this option in Web Browser. Now notice down here at the bottom I have an additional option entitled In Device Central. This option will only be available if you have installed the e-learning suite. It's also worth mentioning that all the preview options can be found by choosing File, followed by Preview.